Hi students, welcome to our channel Study with Posarla. Today came with another new trick. Okay, so x equal to 0.05 into 0.36 divided by 0.4 plus 0.055 plus 1.50 divided 0.03. This is group D question. Okay, so next we are going to the solution. First we apply Bodmer's rule. First bracket, half, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Next x equal to 0.05 into 0.36 by, we are going to the first division, 0.4 plus 0.055 plus 1.50 divided by 0.03. Okay, 0.4 ones are 9s. 0.05 into 9, 0.04, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 0.055 plus 1.50 by 0.03. 1 jar, this is 50 jar. This is 50. Okay, so 0.045 plus 0.055, and we are getting 0.1 plus 50. Then you are got equal to 50.1. This is the answer. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.